Okay, right, well we'll start on the outside here anyway, so we know where our BART points, and if we don't have RPMs and stuff, doors and harnesses are secure. Flap first stage, auxiliary fuel pump on, trim is going to be one below, as far as I can tell. You happy enough?
Yeah,
okay. 20 G radio, Golf Charlie India November, takeoff runway 17, top field 100 G. Alright. Keep our straight. Okay. Direction. Altitude, she's bouncing about a wee bit, as we can see.
That?
She's bouncing about a fair bit,
When you get out, see when you get up to about 500 feet, that'll just disappear. I noticed that the other night I was flying myself too.
300 flat up. $500, we'll turn over. Golf India November on the climb out from runway 17 top field and heading to the west. Nobody listening to us anyways, but it's just good practice to do.
Well, I thought there was nobody listening the other night either, but that helicopter was about, and he came on straight away.
Yeah, just good practice to do.
It is.
Okay. Right, there's 1,000, and we'll just level her out a wee bit. The odd wee buffet now.
Yeah.
Now, turn in here. Golf Charlie India November, left base 35 top field 100 G. Golf India November, final 35 top field 100 G. Clear the wires. Let's see more. Take that one. Not perfect, but hey, we're both down, we're both fine. Alright. Tanagi Radio, Golf Charlie India November, active runway vacated.